Hi guys, I am Chef Nick. I'm the founder of Niche Flavors Holdings. We are a F&B consultancy company and we have opened about 56 restaurants in the past 6 years. So today I've got a very interesting recipe for you guys. I know how everybody loves to eat carbonara, right? But you guys are always very worried it's too fatty, it's too creamy, it's too heavy, it's too rich, you know. My carbonara today, I'm not going to be using pasta. I'm going to be using this beautiful organic chia seed and beetroot ramen. First of all, get the water up and boiling. Okay, so these guys just take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook. Alright, so we're just gonna put it in. Okay, for the sauce, basic carbonara. So we're just gonna cut this garlic up, 2 cloves of garlic, just rough chop it right here. And we're gonna have just a little bit of onion, just to balance that sweetness flavors. Okay, so just gonna cut it up like that. So we're gonna start with a little bit of oil on the pan. Small spoon of butter. Okay, and just let that melt first. While that is melting, let's check on the noodles. Okay, just give the noodle a little bit of a stir over there. Now, as your butter is starting to melt right here, you're gonna add in the aromatics, the garlic and the onion. Okay, goes in. We're just gonna sweat them a little bit. Okay, so what do we mean by sweating the onions and garlic? Sweating means cooking until all the water comes out, but without browning the onions. Okay, this way it's going to release all that beautiful juicy flavors. Okay, now back to the beetroot. Another 1 or 2 minutes and it's ready to be done. So you can see the water is turning a little bit pinkish, right? So don't throw away that water. We're going to use that water to cook the carbonara later on. Now, while this is sauteing like that, we're going to prepare all the other ingredients. We've got a block of Parmesan cheese over here right there. We're just going to slice it really thin. So this will be part of the garnish later, right on top of the carbonara. So now the onions are starting to brown a little bit. What we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of the water just to deglaze the pan. Okay, we're going to take a little bit of the beetroot water. I'm just going to throw it in the pan. It's going to make a lovely sound. Okay. So this is called deglazing. Basically, all the flavor that's stuck on the pan from the onions and the garlic is going to come out when you boil it with the water like that. So now we're going to add a little bit of that cheese. We're going to add a little bit of whipping cream inside. Okay, we're going to season it. Black pepper and some sea salt. So this is also sea salt that was bought from Signature Market. Alright, coming back to our noodles. I think it's done already. Okay, so we're going to off the fire. I'm just going to scoop it out over here. So now, as this is turning up really nice right now, don't put too much salt because the Parmesan cheese itself is also a little bit salty. Now we see a carbonara must boil like that. Once it's boiling like that, okay, in goes the noodles. Just give it a toss or two. Let that soak up all that flavor. Right before serving this, if this gets too thick and sticky, what can you do? Okay, you get a little bit of the water and just put inside a little bit. Okay, and just give it a stir a little bit here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use a pair of chopsticks. Just going to grab it, okay, flip it a little bit, grab the center, twist it, okay, just like that. And we're going to put it on the plate. Now what we're going to do is, remember I told you about the party trick, right? So we're going to make a little hole in the center. We're going to crack an egg, okay? We're going to use just the yolk. Okay, we're going to toss the yolk right on top and we're going to torch it a little bit. Don't worry if your yolk cracks a little bit because the moment you torch it, it's all going to break out. Now we're going to lift the slivers of Parmesan cheese on top around. You can pour a little bit more sauce on the side so it doesn't look so dry. And then we're going to add our signature market Shiitake mushrooms. So we're just going to put them around. Okay, break some up, leave some full pieces there, and then we're going to get some of this salted fish skin as well. We're going to break them up, leave them up there, okay, and then just to finish this dish, so we're going to use some spring onions, okay. Easiest way, just use the scissors. Okay, just sprinkle it all over the top there, and just a touch of black pepper on top, and some cayenne pepper. Okay, and there you have it, the carbonara. How easy was that, right? using all of Signature Market's products. Okay, we just put some fish skin and some mushrooms inside, okay, so that a simple plain dish can look so delicious. If you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button, like us, share us on your Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.